a video and subscribe. What?
Let's turn them on. Show me the drums.
Alright, I can turn them on.
Okay, what are you doing right there? You turning the drums on?
Let me just show you what they make sounds.
So what was that you just turned on?
It was the snare making some sound.
But what's that over there?
Oh, this?
Yeah.
That's the speaker where the sounds come from.
Oh, wow.
You know what that's called?
What is it?
It's a turn off thing. This turns it where you go which sound what you want. Look at it.
Well, that's how you make the different sounds, huh? Ooh. And what's that one? What's that drum called?
What? This is the snare.
Good job. And what other kind of drums are there?
These are drumsticks.
Yeah.
This is the seat.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the high tom.
That's the hi-hat.
A hi-hat, and this is the snare. These are high toms.
Good job.
And this is a low tom.
Wow. And what else we got over here? We got some pedals. What do these pedals do?
They just when you put this away, you put it away and you set it back up where you sit. Put it back over there. Oh wait, this is the pedal.
That's the hi-hat pedal.
The hi-hat pedal, and this is the drum.
Yeah, the kick drum.
A kick drum. And you know,
And what are these things up here? What are those called? Those are called the cymbals. Can you say cymbals?
cymbal kink.
You gonna play a little bit for us?
Then put the seat back over there.
Okay, what do you say?
Please. Where I sit right there. Put it a little closer to that.
A little bit closer?
Mhm.
Okay, I think that we gotta have enough room for your legs.
There you go. I sit right here. I have enough room. Look at. You turn it around a little bit. You turn it around.
Let me see you do a roll. There you go.
Turn it around, please.
Can't you see it?
You can play the drums. You can play the drums there.
You want me to play them?
I'll sit on your laptop and play these high toms.
I thought you said you wanted me to play.
On free play?
Hmm?
I want to get on your laptop while you play.
On my lap?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera off.
What?
I gotta turn the camera off though.
This?
No, the camera. I'm gonna turn the camera off.
Bye bye. Share my video. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. I'll show your YouTube video there.
You will?
Yeah, I'm gonna check you if you have some toys.
Oh, okay.